Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another Java tutorial. In this video, I will be going over abstraction. So, I have created three classes here. We have the main class here, then we have a dog, and then we have a animal. So, firstly, in the animal class, what we can do is let's create an abstract class by just adding abstract to the very start of this class. So now this class is now an abstract class, and what we're going to do is we're going to create two methods. So the first method we're going to do is we're going to do public void, and we'll do legs, right? And then this method will print out this animal has 4 legs, for example, right? Now let's say we have another method, but this time we're going to create a abstract method. So we'll do public abstract, right? And then we'll do void, and then we'll do sound, right? But now you can see that we're not going to add any content into it like we did here. So imagine that we are creating a class for 4-legged animals, right? So all animals will have 4 legs, but they all have different sounds. So whenever somebody calls a method, we already know that that animal has 4 legs, so we can call this method here. However, every animal makes a different sound. Even though they all have the same number of legs, they all make different sound, right? So for example, we have our dog class here. Firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to extend from the animal class. You can see we get an error straight away. So we need to add unimplemented method. And the reason why is because we extended an abstract class, and we need to have all abstract methods within this class that we extended from. So we need to make a method inside of this class that's called sound. So we can make a method, or we can just hover over and do add unimplemented methods, and then we just make a brand new method that is required. Now we can remove these. We don't need these. Just like that. Now in the sound, you can see that it's the same one as this. So we need to have this method inside of the method that we are extending from. And now inside of here we can print out, we'll go woof, for example. So the way this works is, right, we have our dog class. So it has 4 legs. Like imagine we have another class and it's cat, right? The dog and cat have different sounds, right? The dog says woof, the cat says meow. But we're making a list of 4-legged animals. So they will all share one common element, which is legs. So all classes will have this method here, but they will all need to implement their own method of sound because they make different sounds. So we can create an object from the dog class. So we go dog is equal to new dog. And what we can do is then we can call either one of those methods. So we'll do dog.sound, and we'll do dog dot legs. Now we can run these two. You can see that the woof gets called, and then whenever we call legs, this animal has 4 legs. It will go into this class here, and it will call legs. So that's the way that abstraction works. Pretty simple to understand. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.